Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see about the borders in the CSS. So we'll directly go to the video. In this one, already I wrote the body parts. That is nothing there, just one lines. That is just for representing this daughter border, this dashed border, like that. So next important part is in the style area. So first I will show you what is there in this HTML. So I'm just saving this file, and I'm going to Google Chrome, refresh. This is just like a paragraph. I just wrote one lines, a dotted border, a dashed border, a solid border, like that. So now we'll see how we can give the borders, like dotted border, dashed borders. Then next one is how we can give the different colors for that, how we can adjust the size, then how we can give the background color for each borders. Like that we are going to see the topics. So we'll go back to the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see I mentioned some classes like dotted, dashed, solid, double, like that. So what I'm going to do is, in the style part, first in the style part, I'm just going to make one border, that is dotted border. I'm going to do first dotted. So I'm just calling the dotted this one dotted class. Then in that I'm going to write the border. So for border we are using border, then border style. Border style we are going to first, for this we are going to give dotted. Okay, so we'll just save this one, then we'll go back here, we'll see in this one the dotted borders are visible. So next one is the dashed one. So same, we are going to write the dashed, dashed. In this dash we are going to give border style as dashed. So in the next one we are going to call solid borders. For solid borders, border style we are going to make to solid. Next one, after solid, which we given double. So in the double we are going to make border style as double. Border style as double. So next one which we given groove. So dot groove. In this we are going to give the border style as groove. Next one is ridge. Border style as ridge we are going to give. Next one, after ridge, insert. In insert we are going to give the border style at insert. Next one we are going to give after insert outset. In outset we are giving border style as outset. Next one is border style is none. There is no border dot none. Border style as none. Next one is hidden. Border style as hidden. Next one is we are going to give a mixed borders, that is everything, four borders for four side also we are going to mix and give different borders. So for that I'm calling mix I'm taking, then border style I'm giving four sides are there, so we'll give something different dotted, then I'm giving dashed we can give, then we can give something solid, then we can give something double. Okay, these are the borders with different styles of borders. First we'll see how it will look, then next we'll go and change the properties of these borders. So I'm just saving the things, then we'll go back to the browser, we'll refresh it. Now you can see there are different type of borders. First one, it is a dotted border, then dashed border, solid, double, then groove type, ridge type, then inset, then outset. You can see the difference. Then no border and hidden borders. We can the border is actually hidden. Then mixed border. In this mixed border, you can see first we given the dotted, so that came in the up. Then we given the dashed, that came here, right side. Then we given solid, that came down. Then last one is left side. So here these are the different type of borders. So next we'll go back and we'll give some different properties. So actually the different properties will be same for everything. So for reducing that one, I'm going to delete other unwanted things, and we'll just concentrate on any one border. So just we'll clear these things so that we can go and make some other stylish one. So we'll keep the dotted there. Then as of now we can remove this also. Actually we don't even. So we'll just save these things. We'll refresh. See, now I'm going to show you for one border how we can apply background colors, then width, color and everything. So then how we can make a radius borders, everything. So first we'll see in the dotted borders, then we'll go back to the another. So I think it's better to take solid so that we can make the radius also inside this one only. Solid will take, and here we'll change this one to solid. A dotted border will change to a solid border. So we'll see back. So it's better we can take the solid so that we can understand everything nicely. Then we can use the solid itself for making the radius borders also. That's why I'm using solid. You can use dotted, you can use any other things also. So in this style, what we are going to see first, we are going to change the width of the borders. So border width will change. Now you can see something is there, so we'll change to some 8 pixel. We'll save this one, we'll go back, we'll refresh. Now you can see how we can increase the border width, or else how we can decrease the border width. So by using border width, actually we can control the width of the border. So now we'll see border color. We'll see we can give any color. So I'm just going to give a red color. We'll save this one, we'll go back here. Now you can see the black changed to red color. This is how we can change the color of a border. So now we'll see something else, like how we can give a background color for this. Background color something will give gray. We'll save this one, we'll go. Now you can see how we can give a background color for a particular borders. So this one I think you already so in the previous videos, that is in a division how we can give, like that only, same thing. In a class, we are class called solid or any other, we are going to mention the background color. So this background color is applicable only for this particular class. So next thing is how I will show you how we can change the border, I mean this solid border into a round shape. So in this what we need to give is, just we need to give the border radius. We need to mention the border radius. So first we'll see different border radius. So first I'm going to give 5px. Just we'll see what will happen if 5px. You can see here that corner is a little bit changed. So next we'll see this 5px will change to something 9px. Now what is the difference, we'll see. You can see again the border corners are changed. Now we'll change this one to something 19px. We can see what will happen. We'll save this one. We'll come here. Now you can see how it is looking. So this is how we can change a border into radius. So in this video you guys learned how we can make a different type of borders, then how we can give the different styles for borders, width, color, then background color, how we can make a radius borders, everything we saw. I hope you guys understood the video. If you understood the video, please like it, and if you have any comment, please comment your doubts, or if you have any suggestion you can comment it, and please subscribe the channel for more videos.